Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make these lovely painted rocks. These are gorgeous for garden decorations and they're made with simple things that you'll most definitely have in the house. So let's get started. So here are the items I need to start creating my painted rocks. I have some of these flat rocks that I found on the beach. I have some acrylic paints, brighter colors for the background, and then black and some white for finer details. Some paintbrushes and some earbuds. And finally, a palette, mine has been through a lot, and a little pot of water. So in order to get started, make sure that your rocks have been washed and it doesn't have a gritty surface. It feels quite smooth on both the sides. I've also gone ahead and put in some of my brighter colors on the palette, and now we'll start painting. In order to start painting, just lightly wet your brush. Dip into the color of your choice. So I'm going to start with this lovely red and apply the paint directly to the surface. Give it a few coats depending on how thick you want the paint to be. Now that I'm done painting my rocks, I'm going to let this dry for about 15 minutes. There are a couple of shades like the green and yellow that require a second coat, so I'll do that as well, and I'll see you back in a couple of minutes. So now that this beautiful red rock is dry, I'm going to show you how to decorate these. So what I want is, on the center, I want a slightly bigger white dot. So I'm going to take my Q-tip, dip it in some white paint, and then just apply a circle to the center. Now around this white dot, I want to make some smaller white dots. So I'm going to take the back of one of my thinner paint brushes, again dip it in the paint, and then just go around it with some dots. So similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do this entire rock. You don't need any fancy tools. You can use the backs of pencils or toothpicks depending on how fine you want the details to be. So go ahead and create your fancy rocks. So here are my rocks all dried up. Let's take them to the garden. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with all your friends. Do try it at home and give your garden a little sprucing up. Like, share and comment on the video below and let me know what other crafts you want me to try. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.